The biggest mistake every trader makes is not following the money management. This video is about how to manage our money properly. First of all, we need enough capital to start trading. We should risk only what we can afford to lose, so that it won't impact our financial situation. Protecting our capital should be our prime target. We should never go
all in.
Take calculated risks, so that we can stay in the market for the long term. It's not about how much money we make, it's about how much money we lose. The difference between the beginner and professional trader is how they handle money management. Professional traders recommend us to risk a fixed percentage of our capital and never to vary that percentage. Let me give you a good example. We should not place more than 2% of our capital in a single trade. In a single day, we should stop trading after we get 5 to 10% of our capital as a profit. And also, should stop trading when we lose 3 to 5% of our capital. This helps us to get consistent profit and to minimize our loss. In trading, there is no shortcut to quick earning. By gaining knowledge, we have to trade consistently, with patience. Moreover, discipline is the key.